Alright, y'all, first up, got this V-twin. A little 90-degree V-twin. About to give this thing a test run. So smooth. Like, I had to replace the shaft on here and make a new one. Take it all apart, put it back together. So I just glue all on my hands and all. But I'm gonna be showing y'all how it runs because it runs so good right now. I just wanna show y'all because I know y'all wanna see. It's clean, nice. And yeah, I'll be back. Yeah, we just hooked it up, let's go. Sounds so good. Sounds so good. Oh yeah, and by the way, if you do want to make this engine, I will leave the link in the description of my tutorial video for the V-twin. Now, I got this single cylinder that I just made not too long ago. Made a new flywheel for it. Nice. I added something right there to like hold the shaft in place to keep it from, you know, moving all around and everything. Also, I show the process of me making this. I'll leave that in the description too. Y'all, my blood is like rushing, like just holding these, it just feels different, like adrenaline running. You know, it's cool. It's like, I love these things. But yeah, I'm about to give y'all a little run. I'll be back. All right, time for the single cylinder, y'all. Get it. Sound much better already. I don't even know how fast that was, bro, but sounds way better. Sound way better. And if y'all was wondering what I was powering by, it's just, you know, just some balloons connected to a PVC pipe. I just put my finger like right there to like control how much air goes in and out, and boom, straight to the engine. So simple, y'all. But yeah, if y'all do want to check this out, I'm gonna leave the links in the description for this engine too. But yeah, bro, I wish y'all had one in y'all hand. Let me take this off. I wish y'all had one in y'all hand, bro. It feels different when it's like right here. Like, just look at it, bro. And they're so simple to make. Like, once you know how to make it, you can always make it. But yeah, I just wanted to share this experience with y'all because this is cool. This is cool. You know? And let me know what y'all think, bro. Just let me know what y'all think.